we've got Paul from Bow Steel here with us today, and he's going to explain a little bit about this new calving gate that has been brought to the market. Just maybe a little bit simpler than the cutting calving gate. It's specifically maybe aimed more at dairy farmers, is that right, Paul?
Yes, that's right, yeah. Dairy farmers, and we've sold one or two to people who have very narrow alleyways where our normal gate won't go small enough. But yeah, it's got most of the features of our kind of premier calving gate. You've got the same head yoke. It's got the same gate that's going to close over the cow. The only part that's different is that the gate doesn't swing around. But if you've got quieter cattle, Frisian-based cattle, you're not really going to have the same kind of problems as the suckler men when you're trying to get the animal in.
I believe it falls round the same as what the main gate does.
That's right, yeah. So this swings around, and it still has the feature for blocking off, the same as the.
What I was going to ask.
Yeah.
So that it blocks the cattle that you don't want up near the cow when you're calving or suckling. It blocks them off to the other end.
Yeah. So if you were using it, say, if you had an alleyway between two sets of pens, and you had a couple of these calving gates closing off the pens, it means that even if the animal gets away from you, or if you're in here and you're actually working with a cow and a calf, they can't get out onto the centre passage.
Right. Oh, that's pretty interesting. And obviously, being a simpler gate, it's slightly reduced cost as well, I believe.
Yeah. So if you're looking at kitting out a shed with multiple gates, 2 or 3 gates, you're going to pay a small bit less than the normal gate, but keep your costs down. Another good feature is that this one that you see here is a 10-foot gap, but it can also take the sliding ends that we have for our normal gates, and they can slide in here, and you can bring it up to 15 or 13 foot.
Right, that's useful to know. So it can be infinitively adjustable there again.
Yeah.
To suit whatever gap you might have.
Exactly. Yeah. Yeah.
We also have a couple other little gates here.
Yeah. So as part of our range, then we have not only do we have adjustable gates, but we've also got fixed length gates. So in front here, you've got a 9'6", and behind, just slightly longer, we've got a 10-foot. And again, those measurements are including the head yoke.
And I see there telescopically adjustable. The 9'6" is basically it's the part of the main gate without the telescopic bit in, really, isn't it?
Exactly. And that's also useful, say, down the line if you're moving the gate to another location. You can always be safe in the knowledge you can come back here to Gary, buy another piece and stick it on and make the gate longer if you need to.
Yeah. Right, that's grand. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.